Hi, this is Jackie Phillips. This is how to reduce facial sweating. Facial sweating can be very embarrassing. It can also hinder your lifestyle a bit because it's something that always starts to concern you. I have a few tips that I like to do. First of all, I always feel like everything really does start with your diet. So one tip that a lot of people do say is to avoid a lot of sugar. Sugar does promote perspiration, so avoid sugary foods and sugary drinks. That is one step naturally to help with excessive sweating of the head and the face. Another thing to do is make sure not to wear too heavy of a makeup. You don't want to have a mask on your face and then your face is going to get hot. I like to use tinted moisturizers or just a light foundation. Keep your makeup really light. And then the biggest thing to remember is when you're sweating, your sweat is going to start up here in your hairline. So you would be able to save your makeup as long as you I like to use these puffs on my clients. A lot of, the singers or whomever I'm doing, especially the, singing, live performing, people sweat. So I like to use this puff and, go around the hairline and actually catch the sweat before it starts, and then it's not going to run on your face and interfere with your makeup. And then if all else fails and none of these things work, I recommend going to see your doctor. And another trick is Botox is a brilliant way to cure sweating as well. For more tips, please visit me on my website at www.jackiephillips.tv.